When working with Power or Explorer, you may need additional components installed on your workstation. Consult your system administrator to know if this is the case.
This is represented by the desktop icon on the Meridian Cloud landing page. The Meridian Cloud Connector is available for download to install these components, which include application integration and site cache.
Meridian Application Integration integrates extensively with popular CAD applications. The CAD application links support powerful features such as automatic bidirectional title block data exchange, plotting sheet set support, external reference management, solid modeling assembly management, advanced viewing capabilities, and more. Application integration also integrates with Microsoft Office products to provide the same type of functionality as the CAD application links, such as automatic bidirectional property exchange and advanced viewing capabilities. Note:
the Meridian Cloud Connector
must be installed after the installation of your authoring software, otherwise the link will not be installed. Site cache is a technology that Meridian Cloud can use to help download speeds for remote locations.
Site cache is pre-configured while installing the Meridian Cloud Connector.